In this video, we'll be changing the cabin air filter on a 2017 Chevy Equinox. Open the glove box. Once the glove box is open, right up in here about center to the left, you're going to feel up in top there's going to be a catch that holds the glove box in place. It's right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to push that catch up till the glove box falls down. Once that glove box is down, you're going to pop this glove box up off the hinges. So just slide it up and then it comes right out. On the bottom here you got two hinges, or three sets of hinges that goes on that bottom section. So once this is out of the way, set that aside. Inside here, you're going to see in the back here this little strip, and it's got two tabs on it. So you can see that tab and that tab. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull those tabs up. So now that you got that open, right, push it up, and there's your filter right there. I'm going to remove it. It should just slide right out of there. You reach up in there and grab it. And there's your filter. Look at that thing. It's got a bee in there, leaves, completely clogged up. Look at that. I recommend you change these filters once a year because they do get really dirty, as you can see by that one. And if I get in closer, look at that. Full of stuff. Take your new filter. We're going to slide this in. Now you might have to hold that flap up so you don't damage the new filter, because it will come down on it while you try to put the new filter in. There's really not much to these filters. So push on both sides as you go, and be careful because these are fragile. There's really nothing to them. And then close your flap. Make sure both sides are locked in. I'm going to take your box, put those hinges in first, line them up. There we go. If you put your hand inside the box while you're lining those hinges up and you just push down right here, it should pop right in. And then you just basically close it. Make sure it works. Put your glove box content back in there. That's all there is to changing the cabin filter on the Chevy Equinox. It's a good idea to change that filter on a yearly basis. Depending on what climate you live in, for some reason you got more dust in your area, you might want to change it sooner, but that's really up to you. I change mine yearly. You do what you think is good for you. I hope this video was helpful. Sorry about some of the camera angles. I work by myself, so sometimes it's tough to get the camera just right. Any questions, comments, put them down below. I'll throw a link in the description for the cabin filter if anybody's interested in that. When it comes to maintenance stuff, all I can tell you is check your owner's manual and follow the recommendations from the manufacturer. You all take care. God bless. See you on the next one.